For precision caulking where tip shape matters, preserving the tube tip with a fitted caulk cap is the most reliable method to keep the nozzle ready for detailed work on baseboards and moldings. Use a purpose-made caulk cap sized to the nozzle and push it on firmly after every session to maintain the bevel and prevent dings that ruin crisp lines. If you need to pause mid-job, avoid inserting sticks or improvised stoppers that expand or bend the plastic, since those deform the nozzle profile and make finished trimming unpredictable. Wipe the nozzle clean with a rag dampened in a small amount of mineral spirits for solvent-based caulks or warm soapy water for water-based caulks immediately after use to prevent skinning that changes flow dynamics. For jobs requiring multiple tip profiles, keep a replaceable nozzle kit and swap nozzles rather than reshaping a damaged tip, because factory-cut tips hold consistent bead geometry. Store tubes upright with the nozzle pointing up when not in active use to let pressure settle and avoid extrusion that forces the tip against caps or tools. Before starting a visible run on molding, test the bead on scrap trim while holding the gun at the same angle and speed you will use on the workpiece to confirm the tip shape produces the intended line. Common mistakes include forcing a blunt nozzle to produce a fine bead, which leads to ragged lines and excess cleanup, so replace the nozzle or use a cap and cut a smaller opening further down the cone. Another frequent error is letting residue harden overnight, which clogs the bore and requires cutting off more material than planned. Clean the tip after each use and store with a snug cap to keep the opening clear. A third issue is using improvised stoppers that expand and deform the tip. Avoid those and keep spare factory or aftermarket caps and nozzles on hand for quick swaps. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and find contractor profiles related to caulking and trim work so we can match needs to skills. We also make it easy for contractors to find work and participate in our active discussion community, where pros and DIYers share techniques and tool recommendations.